For the concept of regionalism, it is a significance in Asia. Significance of regionalism in Asia: economic growth and integration. Asia dynamic economic hub levered regionalism to enhance trade, invest, and financial. Roles of major Asian economics. China, the economic contribution to regional collaboration, trade, and economic integration. China is the large trading partner for most Asian countries and a key element of regional economic frameworks like the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Examine key regional trade as the challenge and opportunities of Asia. Regionalism in a globalized world. Opportunities of Asia: regional economic integration and growth, enhanced trade and investment. Regional agreement like RCEP and partnership within Asia promote free trade, reduce trade and supply chain, shared development, intelligence like China Belt and Road Initiative BRI and the Asia Investment Bank AIIB enhance economic integrational.